Good morning. Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. So I'm gonna be making, guess what, I'm gonna be making, tell them what we're gonna make.
Pancakes.
So I haven't made this in a while and I was like, why not vlog? So your girl is gonna treat her boys today and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. Stay tuned, make sure you subscribe if you're new to my channel, and if you're oldie, thank you for tuning in. Watch everything, at least watch it to the end. Thanks for tuning in. Let's go. Alright, so we're going to be using the Aunt Jemima pancakes because this is the brand I have for now, and it's very easy. All we have to do is add milk and eggs, and then this is the milk. We're going to be using Silk almond. Y'all need to hit me up and sponsor me. I'm just kidding. Anyways, and then we're going to be using the 2 eggs, large size. This is our bowl, and this calls for, so 1 cup of milk, 1 large eggs, and 1 1/4 cups of the mix. So this is my 1 cup. I only have 1/3 of a cup right now. I can't find my 1/4, and then I'm gonna go ahead. So here we go. So since I'm gonna be doing 2 cups because I have children that loves to eat. I'm gonna put more milk because I used more mixture. Oh, I need 1/4. So this will be, let's just do 1/3 because, yeah, 1/3. And I'm gonna be putting cinnamon in mine.
Cinnamon.
Could you pass me the mixing whisk? Look how thick this almond milk is. Thin.